Hey everyone, I'm Chris Baily with Baily's Hyperformance Factory, and we're here to finally test the new Edelbrock Victor II intake manifold. The car that we're using today currently has our Baily's Hyperformance 500 horsepower package, which includes the forged motor, the camshaft, long tube headers on a factory exhaust system. So the results we're going to see today are going to be based on the platform that we had after those modifications, and then strictly adding the Edelbrock intake manifold. So let's take a look and see during some of the install process on what we had to do, and we'll go over to some of the dyno results. So if you take a look at the dyno results from before on this cam package, you would see that where the short runner is making the switch, you'll see the dip in horsepower and then it starts to rise again. This is what this intake manifold will fix. As we can see here, the dyno results for horsepower were right on point. We did get about 8 horsepower increase on peak RPMs, but as you'll see, we got a huge increase in torque value. We gained almost 30 foot-pounds of torque throughout the entire RPM band, and we were able to fix the dip from the short runner valve that was problematic on the 6/4.